Let me show you how to fix a photo and video upload problem on X. This is a recent bug on X. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to definitely get that fixed. Now, if you open up the X app on your iPhone or Android and you go to either upload a photo from your gallery, but it says it doesn't work, or you try to take a picture and it says that you essentially don't have access to the camera, microphone, or the gallery, the first thing we need to do is check to make sure everything looks good in the settings. So go to the settings app of your iPhone or Android, and we're going to find that X, formerly Twitter app. Now on here, we need to make sure it has all of the necessary permissions to be able to access everything so that it can upload everything. Now, after we've done that, we should be able to go through the process of uploading any kind of photo or a video on here, and it should work normally. If it still doesn't work, it's a bug within the X app that other people have complained about. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to just offload the app and then reinstall the app. By going through this process, it fixes tons of bugs and glitches. All you need to do is find the X app and then just choose to offload it and reinstall it. And this will force update it to the latest version, but it also clears out all of the cache and temporary files in the app, fixing all those bugs and glitches. Just open it up after it's done and you'll be able to upload those photos and videos.